Hello everybody and welcome to Tech Tutorials. In this video we are going to be learning how to add music to our videos. So the steps are pretty simple, make sure to follow along. First we are going to be dragging and dropping some videos onto our timeline. Now if you do not have videos in here, you can simply click on this import button and head over to your local storage and select any of the music or anything into your project media bin. So let's say once you add your files, you will be able to see that you have your videos in here and your audio layer below. But let's say you have this music and you can simply drag and drop it under your video and adjust your videos according to your music. Or what you can do is, if your video is long, you can simply copy and paste your music once again to match it to your videos. So that's a pretty simple process on how to add music to your videos, and I really hope you understood the concept and learned something new. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.